Yulma less than 1,700 Ghana cedis. Kabar best phone shale. Dimbela price range man. Dunguna. Yumbam TECNO Spark 50 she. Phone will come out with 6,700 million power battery. Anto use phone was straight 2 days cap charge. Hell I told and charge it but fast in yan because the camera with 18-watt fast charger. Kai kusan to charger pum 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 diam palme. Phone was screen baba pora. Dinyala 6.7-inch display. Kalantonye 120 Hz refresh rate. Means social media scrolling, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube scrolling. Dinang last smooth phone go zo. But kula sahanang phone go battery. Dinyan cheka I use a phone go. Kaba charger le jirang. Phone go mal AI features. Kama noise cancellation. Ka ibe vrishe kan on the call. Kana to tendel on. Ka amingun on the call ma. Ko gum de along ma. Karakunni. Karabang man vrishe ka abe. Phone go to la nyala IP64. Water and dust resistant. Sabubu walegu. Anang mistake karfalu kwamni. Dukuto sam phone go. Phone go to la nyala drop resistant. Ka ayang on lor phone jirang. Anto bu phone go. Because lor shanga biani ka phone go to handle le. Ka ilohle. Kaban shab nangle. Phone go ngare decent pictures. Kama pictures shanga payango. Phone go pictures mbalama. Hal alher phone bagbaw. Car price kaba ko harlama. Cause bin yar shanga beri phone ba. Dozo I kuma less than 1,700 Ghana cedis. Nyumbom TECNO Spark 50 she ndale. Yul mora da mo video song. Inpa ma ka like, ka share, ka comment. Ka repost di yan chara pag bang bang. Ka banya bye.